Okay, so we're going to look at some broccoli today. I've got these couple of lovely heads of broccoli. Now, I'm not actually going to use the broccoli head. I'm going to be using all of this today. Don't throw this away. This is absolutely wonderful. I see so many people just chop this off and throw it away. No need. It's delicious. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut the head off there, set that aside. I'll use that for something else. And then just trim up, you know, any kind of bits like on the end, you know, where it's a bit damaged or seen the air. And then, yeah, we're going to have some lovely, lovely stuff there for a whole meal. So you can see already, I've just taken the stalks off there, the smaller stalks there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut that about there, and we're going to be using this part. This we use for something different. So look, I've done really, really well. I mean, there's huge amounts of that stuff. And like I say, it really is delicious. I mean, for years and years, I think even I was just throwing it away. You'd lob it off and throw it away, but it's actually fantastic. Now, what can you do with that? We can make a soup with it. I think that's what we're going to do today. You can make a curry with it. You can get that in a stew. If you're making like a meat stew or something, you get some carrots, potatoes, you can get some of that in as well. You can fry it up and put it into some rice. It's just versatile as hell and really, really good for you. And like I say, these guys are nothing to do with what we're doing today. That will be a separate recipe. So we've doubled in our recipes here. Well done. Okay, look, we're gonna make a soup here. So in there, big pot, I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. Use any oil you want. 2 cups of onion, 2 cups carrot, 3 cups potato. And to that, we're gonna add our lovely broccoli stalks. And like I say, you can make a curry from these. You can, you know, get them into some fried rice. They're just really sort of versatile and beautiful. We've now got 2 teaspoons of cumin, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. I mean, you can change the cumin to something else if you wanted. And then we've got 2 cups here of red lentils or dal. That's it. All the ingredients are in now. Above medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes. I'll see you then. It's about 5 minutes just to get them going. We're now going to add some water. If you want, you could add some stock, vegetable stock or something like that. Enough to cover it up. Turn the heat up now. We're going to boil it away. What we're looking for is baby food now. So want it all really nice and soft. Probably going to take about 9 or 10 minutes. If it reduces down, and once we liquidize it, it might be too thick. We might add a little bit more liquid. Simple. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, look, you can see that that has cooked really nicely. Everything's really soft in there and beautiful. What we're going to do now is I'm going to add a nice big handful of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm then going to go with 400 ml coconut milk. That's really going to kind of smooth it out and give it a really nice texture. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm going to liquidize it. Now I've got one of these little guys here. Goes in, zoom, 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 done. See you in a minute. And there you go, that's a beautiful consistency. I mean, you can change that if you want. It's nice and thick. Get it thinner if you want by adding some more stock or water. Really, really delicious. I've just made myself a meal from something that I used to always throw away. What a bloody idiot I was. That is fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.